It is June 19th, and it's been a day off and a special day, although the rains have arrived in Southern Pines, and I think we're going to be underwater for the next, I don't know, 4 or 5 days. Grandchildren are coming this weekend, and I'm going to have them all next week. Could be a challenge. Not much lake time if it's pouring rain. Think of me. Got any suggestions for indoor entertainment for 6 and 4? It'll be fine. We'll be good. We'll cook. We'll do something. We'll bake. Had a great time in the mountains with my girlfriends. We are all in our... I was the earliest one to turn 70 in 1952, and they are all 1953 babies. So 4 of us have already arrived, and 4 still have a chance to live out their 69th year. But anyway, we had a big time. It was very fun. The weather was spectacular. Sunny, cool, no humidity. It was great. All right, we got in these new bags from a new company. They are so soft and beautiful. I think they are just elegant. They are linen polyester canvas. The small ones are 16 by 14, and the large one is 18 by 16. And they have these beautiful screen printed flowers on the front. So check this out. Is that beautiful? That looks like a, oh gosh, a lily pad. It looks like a lily from the lily pond, right? So they're super soft, super thick. It's just a lovely bag. It does not have a square bottom. It's a pencil bottom, but they're still beautiful bags. The smaller size is 32. So this is the first one. I have one of each. So this is the first one. I think it's beautiful. Then this is a butterfly. This one's also 32. This is the blue butterfly. Just gorgeous. They're just so much softer and nicer than other canvas bags. Then this looks like a monarch, sort of. He's beautiful as well. This one too is 32. And, oh, I didn't tell you the company. What is the company? I don't know. I should know, but I don't. Sorry. It's not on their tag. This is the bigger tote. This one is 35, 18 by 16 with an orange. I love that. They're very simple. I like the whole thing is very simple. Just not complicated, but beautiful. And the last one I have is a large sunflower, which is also gorgeous. So first come, first serve. I have 5 new bags, and I'm excited to have them, something new. We always love a new bag, right? All right, I want a kids camp, I'm telling you. Woo! You guys have passed it on, passed it around, given the word, it's all good. People are signing up, which is lovely. I just wanted to remind you that the first camp week is July 24th through the 28th. There's going to be 5 days and 5 different crafts classes. And the price is $150 for the entire week. We're only selling it as a total, and it's from 10 to 12, Monday through Friday. There are 2 spots left in that week, just 2 spots. And then on week 2, which is August 7th through the 11th, there will be 5 different classes. So if you want to take both weeks, you will not be doing the same thing. And there are 3 spaces left in that class. So just a quick reminder, if you think you've got somebody who wants to come and do it, we would love to have them. Don't forget, Ann Weaver's coming in July as well. Everything about her is online. You can buy 1 class, 2 classes, 3 classes, or all 4. And with 4, you get all the supplies that you need for the classes. And it all is great. So there you go. It's all good. I am leaving. I'm only here today. I am leaving tomorrow. Chrissy and I are headed off to Chicago to the H&H convention, which is, it used to be TNNA, which is the National Needle Arts Association. That is no longer, and H&H started last year. I did not go, but we're going to go check it out this year. It's all about needle arts, I think. So yarn and needlework. So we're going to check it out. So we're on our way to Chicago. We will be back Friday, and then I'm picking up my grandchildren on Saturday. So it will be hit and miss next week. This coming week, that's no more videos this week. I'm so sorry. And it will be a little bit hit and miss. I will probably get Vivian and Owen to help me with a video or two. So you can look forward to that. I'll see you when I see you.